And now we are gonna make it explode.
They tried making
All right,
them
Brennan.
put gunpowder in it, but they were against that.
Yes, that is not a good idea.
You are gonna pour it in here.
Yep, help him out. Don't break
So
it.
ready?
We're trying to hurry up and get this done before my husband gets here. No, Brennan was supposed to do it, I thought. Okay, I guess.
Oh, there's a big chunk.
You want a peanut butter cracker?
Oh, take it out, take it out!
Oh, yeah.
Look, Brennan.
Oh, jeez.
Woo.
Lily?
Now I gotta.
See if you can drop it in there.
It's coming back out.
Look at that.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Pick up Aaliyah so she can see it.
I still think you should have used gunpowder.
I can't
Get the
touch
thing out of there.
I can't touch her.
Oh, okay.
My hands are blue.
All right.
This is awesome.
Do you want to add some more in there?
Well, duh.
Okay. Try to see if you can get it. Okay.
That was amazing.
I thought you would like that.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, she killed it.
No, I didn't. It won't go in because the blue stuff.
Yeah.
Get more in there.
You can wait till it stops. You can even add more.